god, I'm so fucking tired. Oh, this is not a good look. Why I look like that? Did I get darker, guys? I got super tan. I'm vlogging. Yep. Just finished. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Can you see all the sweat? Oh yeah. All right, so today we're going to go to a camera store and see if they have the lens that I want. Camera store said that there's a lot of demand for it, but if no one picks it up, we can totally get it. So we have to go in, see if they have it. So can't wait to show you guys. I think you guys already know what lens it is, but we're gonna do that. So we'll see you in a bit. The lens. Hillary's just gonna go in there and check to see if it's still available. Hopefully it is, because it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so awesome. And I'm just here waiting for her to get out. And I need to get a haircut. This afro isn't doing it anymore. I look like a mess.
Got it. It's the last one. It was legit the last one. I went in and then they're all like, oh! Yeah, I was like, hey, do you have a new Fuji 33mm? And they're like, oh! And then the white guy that was working there wanted to buy it. And he's like, I guess I'm not buying it. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry.
We got it. We got the last one in the store.
And then I'm like, oh, I hope you get yours soon. And they're like, it's not gonna be till next year.
Aww.
I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. We'll have fun with it for you.
This is what I got. Spicy garlic chicken with rice, some vegetables, and some tofu.
Your favorite.
So we got this. We're gonna put this on the XS10, and then I'm gonna take you along the area of Waikiki. So let's go. What? The lens hood's right here. We don't need the lens hood. Here it is. This is the 35, and this is the 33. There is a big size difference. The 33 is just a little bit longer than the 35. So let's put this on the Fujifilm camera and let's get out of here. Oh, look at this. I'm ready. I'm ready.
just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole